Okay, now, interesting quiz problem. This quiz problem is as similar as example 2. But here we have two cases. In case A, for driving this drum using an external force, 40 Newton, acting at point A. In case B, here there is a block. So if we release this block will be going down and it will drive the drum to rotate. Okay, now the angular acceleration of this drum in case A should be alpha A. In case B, it should be alpha B. So should alpha A and alpha B equal or not equal? In case B, if we have a block to drive this drum to rotate, what should be the tension force T in the cable? Should this be equal to 40 Newton, the weight force acting on this block? Okay, this problem is very interesting. Probably you will think for case A and case B, the angular acceleration of this drum should be same. And in case B, probably you think the tension force T should be equal to the weight force of this block. But actually, it's not. Why? Because of the acceleration. So let's look at my solution here. For case A, only one rigid body. That's the free body diagram. That's the kinetic diagram. I use a conventional XY coordinate system. So I can calculate MMI of this drum about 0.0. For this drum, I can use the established equation to calculate its MMI about 0.0. And then only the rotational component will be useful. So I select 0.0 to do the calculation, and I can express alpha using this equation. For case B, I have two rigid bodies. So as similar as what I have done in example 2, I can calculate the angular acceleration of this drum, and this time the expression is like this. If we compare the angular acceleration in case A and the angular acceleration in case B, you will find. In case A, alpha should be larger than the alpha in case B. For the tension force in the code, here, that's the final answer. And you can see T should be equal to 40 minus mb times angular acceleration alpha times r. So this means the tension force T should be less than the weight force on this block, 40 Newton. So the correct answer for quiz 1 problem should be A, and for quiz 2 problem should be B.